Hello, welcome to my vlog. I am Sir Arbalati Dolfo, and of course, ang iba-vlog ko po ngayon ay tungkol sa asignaturang mathematics. This is for grade 10. So, ang pamagat ng ating vlog for today is all about finding the sum of the first n terms of a given arithmetic sequence. So, doon po sa mga grade 10 students na nahirapan sa pag-intindi ng topic nito, so mas mabuti pang panuorin po ninyo ang aking video upang matulungan kayo sa discussion at upang maintindihan po ninyo yung lesson ninyo for this quarter. So bago po yan ay huwag po kalimutang i-click ang notification bell dyan sa baba at of course mag-subscribe na rin po dito sa aking YouTube channel. Okay, let's go guys and let's start our discussion for Mathematics Grade 10. Hello grade 10, welcome to our topic. So this is Mathematics grade 10, which is the title of our discussion is all about finding the sum of the first n terms of a given arithmetic sequence. So in this topic, meron tayong dalawang formula na pwede nating gamitin doon sa mga problem na ibibigay sa inyo ng mga guro. Okay, first case, which is the first formula na pwede nating gamitin. So pagkitandaan, if the first and last terms are given, you are going to use this formula is n is equal to n over 2 multiplied by e1 plus an, where is n is the sum of the first n terms, then a1 or a sub 1 is the first term and a sub n is the last term. Okay, the best strategy for this two formulas ay dapat natin alam talaga kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng Sn, A1, then En. So, ilagay po natin sa ating mga utak yung ibig sabihin ng mga variables dyan na makikita sa formula. Okay, the second formula na pwede ninyong gamitin para sa pag-solve ng arithmetic sequence is if the last term is not given, so you should have to use this formula. Sn is equal to n over 2, the quantity of 2a plus 1, close and open parenthesis, n minus 1 times d, where is Sn is also equal to the sum of the first n terms, then a sub 1 is the first term, and d represent for the common difference. Pag sinabi nating common difference, ito yung pari-pariho yung difference ng pasunod-sunod na mga numbers. So, pagkitandaan, if the last term is not given, you are going to use this formula, Sn is equal to n over 2 times the quantity of 2a sub 1 plus open and close parenthesis n minus 1 times the difference. So, pakitandaan yung dalawang formula na ipinakita ko sa inyo. Okay, pag sinabing common difference, for example, so I will write here an example to find out how to find the common difference. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, and so on and so forth. So, how to find the common difference of this given arithmetic sequence? So, first, so this will be our A1. I mean to say, that is our first number on the sequence. So, to find the difference, you have to subtract this two number first. We have 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay. So, next, we have to subtract also, this is 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Then we have next, we have 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Then we have 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So meaning to say, ang kanilang common difference is 2. So yan po ang ibig sabihin ng common difference. So yun po ang isusubstitute natin doon sa formula if this sequence of numbers is yun po ang sasagutan. So let's have an example for this. Okay, for the first example on this topic, finding the sum of the first n terms of the given arithmetic sequence. So we have the example here. Find the sum of the first 20 natural numbers. So if the given a sub 1 is equal to 1, then an is equal to 20 kasi yung i-add natin is 20 numbers. Then n is equal to 20, yung hahanapin natin yung total, pag isa-sum natin, pag i-add natin yung 20 numbers starting from 20 to the 20th number, so yun po ang kung ano yung magiging total ng number na yon. So that is why we have the formula to be used para mapadali yung pagsosolve ninyo for this numbers na nakasulat. Okay, for example, our A1 starts from number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to 20. Okay, dito sa problem na ipinakita ko sa inyo, kung inyong matatandaan, meron tayong dalawang formula na ipinakita ko kanina sa inyo. So, if you observe from the given, yung first term is given, yung last term is given. Of course, ang gagamitin natin is this formula, Sn is equal to n over 2 times a sub 1 plus an. So kasi, bakit ito yung gagamitin natin? Kasi in a given problem ay nandyan na, naka-given na yung first number and the last number. So, ang kukunin natin dito, kung ano yung magiging total for this 20 numbers na pinapasolve sa atin for this example. Okay, using the formula, that is Sn is equal to n over 2 multiplied by a sub 1 plus an is equal to, so we're looking for the total number, or yes, the total number of this arithmetic sequence na given dito sa inyong example. So, yung n natin is 20. So, you are going to write 20 over 2. Then, multiplied, yung a sub 1 is equal to 1 plus yung an natin is 20. So, you have to write down 20. Of course, what you are going to do is to write again. So 20 over 2, that is 10, multiplied by 1 plus 20, that is 21. So the answer for this one, you multiply these two numbers, 10 times 21 is 210. So this is the total number of, or the sum of the 20th number present in the problem. If we are going to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to 20, so the sum of that is 210. Is that clear? Okay, let's try another example. So example number 2 is, first term is 5, n is equal to 16, difference is equal to 3, then Sn is equal to unknown. Okay, so on this example, we are going to use for this formula, Sn is equal to n over 2 multiplied by the quantity of 2a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the difference. Okay, so since our given have the value of difference, so we are going to use this formula, Sn is equal to n over 2 times the quantity of 2a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the difference. Okay, we are going to rewrite the formula, that is Sn is equal to n over 2 multiplied by 2a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. Okay, so we substitute our first number is A5, our N is 16. Of course, the difference here is 3, and we are going to find out what is the sum of this number. Okay, so N is 16 over 2 times the quantity. This is constant, so you are going to write 2. Then the value of A1, this is multiplied by 5, plus the value of N, that is 16, minus 1. 1 is constant. Then multiplied by the difference of 3. Okay, then we have to simplify. Okay, uunahin natin yung sa loob. So, you can divide also this immediately. This is 16 divided by 2 is 8. So, this will be 10. 2 times 5 is 10. Plus, this is 16 minus 1 is 15 multiplied by 3. Okay, next, we have copy 8. Then, we have 10 plus, you multiply first this 1. This is 45. Because 15 times 3 is 45. Then, we add first this 2. This is 8. 10 plus 45, that is 55. Then, you have to multiply this 2. 8 is equal, or 8 times 55 is, so 8 times 55, this is 43, 4, this is 40, 44, this is 440. So this will be the total number of this given. Okay, this will be the answer. Okay, if you have questions, just message on my Facebook or Messenger so that I can tell you on how to solve for mathematics problem. Thank you guys, and God bless.